Last year in 8th class, as being a teenager, that was the time to know people and the sport. I carried on learning them, and suddenly, like a storm, a disease came in front of me. And without knowing about that, I just started hating it at its first sight only. But there was a curiosity in my mind to know about it and I start researching on it. The things that I got to know was so unbelievable for me because that was new to me. But the reality is that it is existing in this world from hundreds of years. Till now, I didn't got any end to this research. But 1 week ago, I heard about the pregnant elephant killed by humans. I got disturbed a lot after listening to this. In my mind, there was a collection of emotions, anger, disturbance, and something which I cannot express in words. This collection was burst in the form of silence. Once again, that collection burst 5 days ago, but not in the form of silence, but in the form of words on my closest friend, my diary. We sat together, and having pen in my hand, I start writing in my diary. You would be thinking about that what disease I'm talking about. So being more clearer to you, I wrote in the diary about this disease. In this disease, a human loses and forgets its humanity. That human is not less than a devil, but it is more than a devil. In this disease, a person supports and practices rape, acid attacking, corruption, torturing women, forcing her for dowry, underestimating women, animal captivation, animal killing for food and money, gender differentiation, caste differentiation, and there are many more. Now, being closest to the point, I'll tell you how it comes inside us. This disease is the first ever found disease which takes your permission to enter in you and leaves you with your permission. That's interesting now that you don't have to take those bitter medicines, but the person you become is a bitter. More than 90% of the people in this world have allowed the disease to come inside them. It is just like a drug. When you take it, you feel happy, relaxed, and feel like you are in heaven. But the reality is that you go in hell. But this disease is more dangerous than drug because drug destroys the person who take it. But this disease destroys whole surrounding of the person who is in the catch of it. To destroy this disease, we do not need any vaccine, but we need a clear mind and open heart. We need to love everyone. We need to use this mind for good work and not to waste it for bad work. We need to care our surrounding. We need to be open-minded. We need to recognize our humanity. We need to learn and teach this topic to everyone. We need to be a human. Thank you. Jai Hind.